Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix GTA 5 error GFX state game error. Please reboot and restart the game. So the first solution that you can try is go to your GTA 5 installation folder and look for gt5.exe or its launcher and right click on your game launcher and simply run as administrator. After that, see if problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution that you can try is go to your GT5 folder and delete the settings.xml file and everything inside the profiles folder, and also clear SGA cache. In the same Rockstar game by GT5 folder or under the enhanced folder, if applicable, delete any file starting with SGA. And after that, just completely close the game from task manager and restart the game again and see if problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution that you can try is go to Windows search and type NVIDIA and open up the NVIDIA control panel and simply go to help and make sure to check this debug mode on and restart your PC, then see if problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is go to Windows search and type NVIDIA again and open up your NVIDIA app and go to drivers and make sure that your NVIDIA or AMD graphic drivers are up to date. You can download any update if available from here in NVIDIA app. And after you update your driver, simply restart your PC and see if problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is go to your GT5 installation folder and look for your GT5 game launcher and right click on it, go to its properties and go to compatibility and simply check this option of disable full screen optimization and just hit apply, then hit OK, then simply open your game again and see if problem is fixed or not. And the next solution that you can also try is disable overlays. Fully exit background apps like Discord, MSI or Afterburner before launching the game, then see if problem is fixed or not. Now I hope after this solution your problem will be fixed, and if yes, please like this video and thanks for watching.